Welcome to an exclusive pre-show presentation on the latest device Datavideo is going to introduce during the 2019 edition of Integrated Systems Europe in the Amsterdam RAI. This right here is the DAC75T, or as we like to call it, the Connection Assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how to operate it. DAC75T is a converter that converts SDI, HDMI and VGA to any resolution for your presentation screen. For instance, when you have a presentation room in which you have a 75-inch LCD panel or an even larger projection screen, you can hook up only devices that speak that exact resolution and standard. With the DAC75T, those problems belong to the past. Or if you have a presenter that walks in with an older VGA connector or something else exotic. When you have the DAC75T on the desk, that problem also belongs to the past. It converts virtually all resolutions to all resolutions, and it can convert standards as well. Hook up anything up to 1080p 60 and the DAC75T converts it to the right mode. If you're using external audio, you can embed that using the RCA connections. Using the DAC75T is very easy. You can set it up using the advanced mode. In the advanced mode, you can choose the input, the output format, the refresh rate, the aspect ratio, and you can even choose if it has to pass through the embedded audio or not. Then, when you're all set up and done, you can go back into the presentation mode, in which all the settings you have just made are locked. The presenter can come in, hook up his device, and the DAC75T will do the rest. This is perfect for hotels, conference halls, seminars, university, or any other place with a lot of different speakers who bring their own devices. DAC75T is very easy to use by AV installers, technicians, and most of all by the user who is going to use it the most, the presenter. If you want to know more about the DAC75T or any other product that Datavideo is going to introduce during the 2019 edition of ISE, please visit our booth. You can see the address down here below, Hall 7, booth C193. Thank you.